Welcome to paradise. Here, nature's bounty flourishes in harmony with the serene surroundings, offering a unique and enriching experience for our guests. It's a sanctuary of tranquility, where the pace of life slows down and you can truly connect with the natural world around you. For our guests, this garden is a place of discovery, combining agricultural methods old and new. We strive in growing vegetables and herbs with a distinct, hybrid flavor and health profile. A testament to our commitment to sustainability and a place where you can reconnect with nature. Come and be part of this organic experience. Book your next holiday with us at Koh Jum Beach Villas, Krabi, Thailand.